Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepare this mint chicken 65. I'll be using chicken lollipops for this recipe. Normally this is prepared with boneless chicken and my mom used to prepare this when I was a kid. I've laid out all the ingredients required for this recipe. We already get this chicken lollipops. So I've purchased this, washed it thoroughly, allowed it to drain using a colander. There should not be any sort of moisture in the chicken. We need mint leaves and chilies, which is washed and drained and reserved. Ginger and garlic paste. I'll be using lime, chili powder, tandoori chicken masala, curry powder and green food color. Very simple set of ingredients. So in a mixer jar, I'll be adding the mint leaves, chilies and ginger and garlic paste. We need to juice the lime and reserve it. Remove all the seeds and reserve it. Don't add much water to the masala. Add very less amount of water. Now I'll be adding the chicken to the mixing bowl. I'll add the juiced lime and the ground masala or the chutney. We'll add chili powder, tandoori chicken masala and curry powder. You can also use Kitchen King masala. And then I'll be adding some salt. Now we have to massage this marination in the chicken. You can add the green food color, that is optional, or you can leave that out. Allow the chicken to marinate for 20 minutes. If you prepare this a day before and place this in the fridge, the next day the chicken will be perfect. So here I allowed it to marinate for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'll be adding half an egg white. I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour and 2 teaspoons of corn flour. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or it will be listed in my blog. The blog also has a detailed written recipe. The blog link will be in the iCard above this video, or it will be in the description box below this video. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. You can also follow me on my Tamil channel where I translate and post the recipes in Tamil language. Once I've combined all the ingredients in the chicken, I've heated enough oil in a wok. Just check the chicken if it's got enough salt in it. If you need to add salt, mix it once more and then add your chicken to the hot oil and start frying it for 2 minutes on each side. Chicken lollipop cooks very fast. You just need to keep turning it every 2 minutes. So total of 8 minutes I cooked it on medium flame. Once the chicken has fried well, I drained it from the excess oil using a slotted spoon and I reserved this on a plate. I'm going to be frying the second set of chicken lollipops in the same manner. You have to simply serve this chicken lollipops with just some lime juice and some pepper powder sprinkled on top. It was very nice. Give this recipe a try, friends. All the links to my blog and all the ingredients used in the recipe will be in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.